Is it ready?
It's ready.
Oh my God, we're here.
It's already going.
Purr podcast.
Yeah. Oh, show your shirt.
Oh, wait, my shirt.
Look, yay.
It's a cat cafe.
It's our cat cafe.
And what do you have?
So I have
Global Veterinary Surgery.
Global Veterinary Surgery.
We're here in Las Vegas.
We are.
And we just spent 3 whole days at CES.
Consumer Electronics Show. That means a lot of steps every day.
It was awesome.
It was.
And we have a lot of flyers and that sort of stuff. So let's
of
do
stuff to
a
look at.
top 5.
So we're going to quickly run down some of the things that we liked.
Number 1.
Is this number 1 in...
Whatever you want.
Okay.
Cat litter.
Cat litter. Cat litter boxes.
Cat litter boxes.
Lots of cat litter boxes. Automated, scooping, but they're building in technology to do things like weigh your cat.
Cat's urine.
Analyze the cat's urine. That's interesting, huh? How many times the cat goes in and out of the box? That could be very useful for urinary tract diseases. Didn't they also analyze what the poop looked like? Normal, not normal.
Time is up.
Yeah.
We're not talking about poop.
Okay.
Time is up. Number 2.
Number 2. I have to give number 2. Feeders.
Cat feeders. Lots of different types.
Yep.
Lots of different types. A lot of issues with cat feeders.
Yeah, so we are beginning to see them do what we like, and that is measure the food out by weight. And hopefully measure small amounts of food.
No more cups.
Not by cups. So we want not volume but weight.
And
so
I like the one that won the prize. That had 2 different compartments, and then the microchip triggered the compartment to open. That is right for the cat.
And what's nice about that particular feeder is you can use canned food. Most of the ones on the market are for dry food.
Covered.
Yeah, but this is like a covered dish for canned food too.
Number 3, the magic wheel.
So Jolle liked an exercise wheel.
It was huge.
We saw a big exercise wheel, but with a light that moves inside the wheel. So I guess
the cat was running behind the lab.
Yeah. So if your cat likes exercise wheels, that could be useful.
And it had jewels.
It sort of had a gold lame finish to it, didn't it?
Jewels on the outside. It says also in the description.
They come with a lot of bling.
The jewels.
And I think you can spend more and get more bling.
Like it?
Yep.
Okay, number 4.
Activity monitors.
Activity monitors. They were not as popular this time.
No, we were here 2 years ago, and we saw a lot of tracking devices and activity monitors.
So there were, 2 or 3 that were interesting. One was a GPS one that I liked.
Yeah.
The other one was a cat one that was very, very small. That is nice.
They're getting smaller, which is what we need for cats. Yeah, and so they're making some progress, but we just saw less buzz about them this year, didn't we?
And I think number 5 is the human thing.
Which human thing?
The human thing. So now, especially for diabetes, they can measure glucose in your sweat.
Yeah.
And they have a watch that measures your glucose level, which I thought was amazing without pricking or anything.
So we're seeing non-invasive methods of measuring glucose. So one used light impedance of some kind, I think.
Yes, infrared.
Yeah, infrared.
So pre-infrared, whatever
something. Light impedance, anyway.
Okay, shows how much we know.
Shows how tech-oriented we are. Yeah. But the other one was definitely sweat. So apparently there's been some research that correlates sweat glucose.
And you checked it, huh?
With blood glucose. I did a little research.
It works.
So as my son and husband were with us, and my son said, but that means you have to sweat to measure your glucose. And my husband said,
we sweat all the time.
Well, my husband said that's no problem. I can sweat if I get off the chair.
Under your watch, you always.
Do you think you make enough?
Yeah.
Maybe you make enough sweat if you're not exercising.
So 5 top things there.
There you go.
Really liked it.
Yeah.
That was good.
Yeah, cool. So, there you go.
Thank you very much.
That's what we saw.
The Cat Cafe, our new podcast.
Cat Cafe podcast for cat owners.
Exactly.
Yep. And our Purr podcast, of course, for the veterinary team.
www.purrpodcast.net.
And social media.
Like us.
Yep.
At Purr Podcast.
And at Cat Cafe Podcast. Yeah, and we'd love it if you'd tell your friends, and we'd love it even more if you felt that you would give us a nice review. That warms our heart, and it keeps us going, doesn't it?
The big heart, little heart.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.